That is New York's LaGuardia Airport. Nearly 8 out of 10 outbound flights were delayed or canceled today.
That is because of a nor'easter blamed for at least one death. Meteorologist Rob Marciano is tracking the storm.
The first nor'easter of the season crashing ashore, bringing rough surf and powerful winds to millions in the east.
We hunkered down, took all the chairs in, sealed around the doors.
All of New Jersey and parts of southern New York under states of emergency as relentless northeast winds force ocean water onshore and flooding coastal communities.
Nearly half the roads here in Manasquan have some sort of tidal flooding. This is one of the worst. You see the water up to the stairwells of those homes. As far as the eye can see down this main strip, the car there, the water up to the wheel wells, that's not going anywhere. And the water approaching the entrance to this sandwich shop, which is closed for business today.
The floodwaters so deep here, some locals took to surfing in the street. Gusty winds also uprooted trees and downed power lines throughout the region. In New York City, a woman was struck and killed by a solar panel that blew off a nearby carport. Officials canceling the annual Columbus Day parade for the first time ever due to weather over safety concerns. And in Massachusetts, 2 people were killed and 1 injured when a small plane crashed into the grassy median of a highway near Cape Cod. It's unclear if weather was a factor. This is the same system that slammed into parts of the South over the weekend, leaving towns from South Carolina to Virginia underwater and leaving more homes on North Carolina's Outer Banks teetering on the edge.
The erosion's gotten so close. I mean, these buildings are starting to get unstable. It's scary.
Many of those homes will be coming down soon because this will not be our last nor'easter or coastal low. We're not done with this one either. I mean, obviously the winds are still coming in. We got these lights that are swaying in the wind. Can't really see it because it's dark, but you can hear the surf continue to pound the shoreline here on the Jersey Shore. The low itself is about 100 miles just offshore, so it is very close to us. It will morph and it will eventually move out to sea, but it's going to take its time. So more rounds of rain tonight, be residual flooding probably through the morning hours tomorrow, and then we'll eventually get this thing out to sea on Wednesday. Next storm is coming into California. That's a big one with heavy snow in the mountains and rain in San Francisco, a sign that the seasons are changing.